Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Windows photo viewer can't open this picture. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows updates. Click on open the Windows update settings. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. After that you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type store. Click on open the Microsoft Store, and you just need to search for one photo viewer. Select the one photo viewer and select the install option. After the installation done, open up the folder and go to the photos and right click on the photos you're having problem and select open with and select one photo viewer. Check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to open up Chrome and search image converter online 3. Select the first site. Select the choose files option. Go to downloads and select the image and select open option and convert the image to PNG and select the convert option. After getting convert done, select the download option and download it one by one. After getting download done, open the downloaded file and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to open up Chrome and search ASHAMPOO photo converter and press enter. Select the first site. Select the download option. This will give you 40 days of free trial. You just need to click on the download option to get downloaded. Select the downloaded file and install it. Select yes. Select I agree and proceed option. Select next and continue the installation. After getting done, select the finish option. Now the program will open up. 10 days left until deactivation. Select the continue option. Select the start the converter. Select the add files and select the files that you have problem and select open option. Select the next option and in output directory you just need to click on this icon and select the output location where you want to save. I'm gonna select desktop and select OK and select the start option and operation completed successfully. Click on OK and now the files will be available where you selected the output location. In my case, I selected in desktop. Uh, Select the finish option and check if the problem solved or not. Just open the image and check if it is works. If not, method 5, you just need to right click on the image you having problem and select the properties. Select the advanced option and uncheck this encrypt contents to secure data guys. Uncheck it and select OK and select the plain OK. And now open the file and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.